guys, welcome to my channel. This is Renovated TV. Thank you so much for clicking. So guys, it's been a while since I upload video. It's just simply because we had a lot of things to do. Yes, the building is still ongoing and we had a lot of progress. So guys, as you can see, I have new things that I have done. So after the tiles, this is what we did. I made a door that is coming to a small balcony at the back of the house. So yeah, it was in my planning already, but I needed to tackle other places before I come there. So yes, guys, as you can see, this is the plan of the balcony that I did when after the tiles and everything. So we did a metal. I wanted to do concrete, but we changed our plan to metal and it came out so good. So the guys are busy with the metal platform to fix now, and I let them cut a door at the back so that when you climb through the window you can come straight into this balcony chair at the back of the house. So yes, this is what you are seeing. It was really tough for the guys. They didn't even know what to do, and of course not everybody knows how to fix this kind of a porch, a small porch which is very high from the ground like this. So it was tough and they didn't get support from inside the building, so it was a little bit difficult for them. But thanks to my husband, he have the master plan how to do it and we did it perfectly. So yes guys, this is the progress of what we did at the back of the house. So soon you are going to see the finishing of this small porch that we did at the back. So yes, this is how it looked like. So when you ask me about the support, how was this support in the house, or how did were we able to get this stuck to the building? Because we didn't have where this porch is placed, there is no metal, or there is no pillar over there to be able to weld everything together. So yes, it was a little bit difficult, and you know, when they had a plan to weld it inside the wall, but yeah, my husband came with a new plan and everything went perfectly. So here you can see the front of the house. Also we did a barrister for the front, so the front view of the house will look very beautiful. So yes, this is how it looked like. And at the same time we were busy with the garage. So we were busy with doing the garage rolling gate or rolling door. Yes, we were busy with that. So as you can see, this is how far they are. So we did a lot of things during this time. We did the rolling door, we did barrister, we did the top, and as well as we are busy with the swimming pool. And also the all this while the house didn't have outside ceiling. So all the outside ceiling, I'm afraid maybe there will be a bird or something flying in there and make they will die there or something, because the heat is very hot in Ghana for a bird to fly there and die inside. And yeah, of course it will affect the ceiling maybe. So yes, I let them did the outside ceiling as well, and outside plastering. We plastered the walls. So as you can see in this video, we did all the wall plastering. And yes, so it's been very busy. And yeah, I am not in Ghana at the moment, but yeah, it's been very busy for the workers and everybody there. So yeah, it's not easy for me also to be asking for video all the time to be uploading. But guys, this is how far we have come and how we have improved on a lot of things. So from here, I would like to show how the support of the under of the porch, the support, how it went. Soon you will see how fully completed the porch look like. So if maybe you have a plan to make a porch where there is no metal for support or anything, you can easily use this plan. So this is the outside of the porch, out the ceiling that we did for the porch outside. And yeah, we use roofing sheets because I had this plan of a roofing sheet design, so we use roofing sheets. But yeah, if you are not there by yourself, and yeah, for the people to be working, you see everything to correct it, sometimes they make mistakes. So this outside ceiling, I let them took it out, and we bought a whole set of new roofing sheets for the ceiling, and it went perfectly. So yes, guys, this is how they did the garage door, or this is how they started with the fixing of the garage door. So it is a rolling garage door. So yes, this is how it looked like. The guys are still in progress, they were busy with it. And yeah, I first had a thought that this was made in Ghana, until the welding guy, of course, they make the impression like, oh, we are the ones going to make it and everything. But yeah, when it came, I found out it was factory made. So yeah, I wish it was made in Ghana, so I could be proud of it. But yeah, it is factory made from China, maybe, I don't know. So guys, yes, they are fixing it now. So if you want to get your rolling gate done, I would prefer you go to the market yourself and ask of the price and do it yourself, because I made a mistake by trusting them. I thought maybe they are going to do it, they are going to make it Ghana made. But yeah, I didn't know that you can easily buy it like already made, and the only way they have to do is fix it by themselves. So guys, from here you can see the front view of the house is coming. So yes, this is how the front view of the house look like. It's a little bit messy because a lot of things on the ground and everywhere is full of things. So yes, guys, this is the view and how it look like finally. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do. Renovated TV. Thank you so much, and wait for the next video to come. Bye bye.